جو واسطہ نبی کا دے کر صدا نہ دے گا، جو واسطہ نبی کا دے کر صدا نہ دے گا، اس کو قسم خدا کی، اس کو قسم خدا کی ہرگز خدا نہ دے۔
عظیم قربانی
دنیا بھر میں نواسے رسول صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم حضرت امام حسین علیہ السلام کی بے مثال قربانی کا ذکر و سوگ نہایت عقیدت و احترام سے منایا جا رہا ہے۔ بے مثال قربانی کی وجہ سے آج حضرت امام حسین علیہ السلام کا نام دنیا بھر میں گونج رہا ہے۔
The two princes of Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Imam Hassan and Hussein's story. The two princes of Hazrat Ali, R.A., Hazrat Imam Hassan and Hazrat Imam Hussein, R.A., are very important figures for Muslims. They were also brothers among themselves and were the common ancestors for the grandsons of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Hazrat Imam Hassan bin Ali, R.A., was born in Mecca and he participated in various wars under the leadership of his father Hazrat Ali. He was also a rebel of the court, and was on the verge of caliphate. He did not accept the social system of Daya and Yazid. He was martyred in the Battle of Karbala where he declared martyrdom along with his younger brother Hazrat Imam Hussein. The incident of Karbala and the martyrdom of Imam Hussein bin Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, has become famous as Ashura. He was also born in Mecca and he traveled to Syria because of the caliphate. Yazid bin Muawiyah attacked them unconsciously and war broke out in Karbala. He fought patiently with his army to protect the truth, but his martyrdom was the result of the cruelty and cruel treatment of the Yazidi army. His martyrdom is very important for Muslims and they celebrate the fast of Ashura very politely. The martyrdom of Hazrat Hassan and Hussein, may Allah be pleased with them, is important for Muslims and they are examples of their piety, patience and sacrifice for the truth. His memory has been kept alive by Shia Muslims through mourning, and they perform mourning and mourning ceremonies every year during Muharram.
جو تیری رحمت کا منکر وہ میرا دل نہیں، مانگنا جس کو نہ آئے وہ کوئی سائل نہیں ہے۔ میرے گناہوں پر نہ جا، رحم کے قابل ہوں میں،